Happy Friday! I am at the studio. We have several appointments today. Got my Starbucks. I got a venti pink drink. It's my favorite go-to drink. Although they thought I had ordered a strawberry acai, so I'll be full of caffeine today. Let's go design some jewelry. It's such a beautiful day today. It does not feel like winter. It's totally spring. I don't know about you, but I'd rather be hot than cold. Welcome to our studio. We still have to clean up a bunch of the Valentine's Day stuff, but this is the outfit of the day. I'll be doing a video later on. I have a few appointments today, and before they come in, I always have to get my machine ready and clean some of the sunglasses that you guys wear so you can protect your eyes. So let's clean that. So if you book an appointment, you get to rock these. The hard part about having a jewelry studio is that a bunch of little things like this that get lost, and I have to pick them off the floor and keep inventory of all that. I think that's the hardest part of owning my jewelry design studio, because imagine doing inventory on all these nightmare. But honestly, I wouldn't change it for anything else. I'll take doing inventory any day. So this is my machine. I need to get it ready, and basically we have to sharpen this here. That is the part that welds the jump ring. So I'm going to sharpen these. I have a few more here just in case. Safety first. For permanent jewelry, we can also do rings, just like the ones I have here, but this one kind of stretched, so I need to resize it. So let's do that together. It's gonna look something like this. And these are some of the designs we created. This was a beautiful sister appointment. I absolutely loved their designs. Right after I started working on my bestsellers are tiara headbands. This is our window display. You can see we have some gems hanging. I need to come up with something for March, so I'm going to take down just the hearts. So if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. At our studio, this is where we have all of our events. So if you are interested in hosting a girls' night, or make sure you're following so that you don't miss out on any of the other events, because we're gonna have a few for the month of March. So if you would like to book your personalized design session, make sure you send me a message. Happy Tuesday! I am heading to my jewelry design studio on the east side of El Paso. I have a busy day. I have a few appointments today, and I need to make some content for both TikTok and YouTube. So if you want to come along with me on this busy day, I invite you to. You can also follow my page if you want to see more behind the scenes. So for now, come to work with me. This is the design studio. Let me give you a tour so you can see what we offer. We do have some necklaces and some card charms up here. If you're interested in having a little bit of a sparkle inside your car, you can order some. There's different designs that we carry for card charms. And these are the chain options for permanent jewelry. We have a wide variety of chains, including stainless steel, gold-filled, sterling silver, rose gold. We also have more sun catchers on this side. And we have a design your own earring bar where you get to pick the earring post and the chain and create your own design. We also have some crystals if you're a crystal lover, and we can create a custom design for any necklaces. Like these are very popular. They're the choker necklaces, and you get to pick the beads. So the first thing I need to do, I need to hop on YouTube and do a tutorial on these headbands. These are my best sellers here at my jewelry design studio, and check out all the gems that it has. I've been wearing them lately and I've gotten a lot of questions about where I get them, and I actually make them myself. They have been super popular here at my design studio. There's so many designs that we can create. I also call them like your birthday crown because they kind of look like a little tiara. I'll put one on. And they sparkle so much when the sun is hitting them. You guys know that I love everything that sparkles. So look, it kind of looks like a little tiara. So there's different designs. If you want one, you guys can message me and we can create one. But I made this one during a YouTube live. Look how beautiful those colors are. If you're interested in getting yourself a birthday crown or a little headband, send me a message. We can create a custom design for you. There are so many different options. Or if you want to make it yourself, you can also check out my YouTube channel to see how to make one. It's such a fun activity. Or maybe we can have another event here at our jewelry design studio and make one together so you guys know how to make them. But yeah, there's so many different ones. This one I made for the month of February since the birthstone is amethyst. Look how pretty they look, like little tiaras. And if you haven't watched my video about the headband theory, there's this theory that if you wear a headband for an important meeting and you don't want to get in trouble for something you did, or if you're going to request for something, a day off or something, it's better for you to wear a headband because it's less likely that they'll either get upset for something you did or get upset for asking for a day off, and you'll probably get it. I've tested it before and I think it's worked, so I mean, it's great to have a collection of them for whenever you need it. This one is a Valentine's Day edition. Look how cute that looks. They're little teddy bears. I'm telling you, they sparkle so much, so if you want one, message me. So I have a few appointments, so before they come in, I wanted to show you my shirt. This shirt is going to be exclusive to our jewelry design studio. Better late than ugly. So if you guys would like a shirt like this, just message me and I'll make sure to submit that pre-order for you. Totally the vibe. And this is the outfit of the day. These are some of the designs we created today at our jewelry design studio, Dainty Gem, on the east side of El Paso. If you would like to schedule your personalized design session, make sure you send us a message. Welcome to a day in the life of a jewelry designer in El Paso, Texas. Our studio is on the east side, and we not only specialize in permanent jewelry, but we can also create custom designs with engraving. We have several appointments today, so the first thing I need to do is make sure that everything is sanitized, especially the sunglasses that you guys use while I'm welding all your pieces. You guys have been requesting lately some BTS bracelets for the concert, so that is something what we are currently working on. If you make an appointment and you get a permanent piece, you do get this care kit with a polishing cloth and a little brush to make sure you keep that chain sparkly. If you would like to schedule your personalized design session, make sure you message us. We do go by appointment only. These are some of the custom designs we create. We have the Star on the Mountain necklace and custom engraving designs. These are some of the chains we offer. We have stainless steel, sterling silver, rose gold, and gold-filled options, all high-quality metals. And we've been having a bunch of events at our jewelry design studio. So if you would like to join us for those events, or if you would like to host a girls' night at our studio, make sure you send us a message so we can help you organize that event. This is El Paso's first jewelry design studio with so many different options for you to choose from, even some custom choker necklaces that have been really popular. These are some of the designs we created today. make sure you follow us for more.